Welcome back. I was trying to make these a short video and not a long one so I could reach more people. But I wanted to finish up picking the rest of the mask off. I wanted to finish up with around my lips and my chin because I just as a term endearment to all women who have wrinkles and who have decided to keep their wrinkles. I've got several coming in all around. Embrace your wrinkles. I respect all my friends and people I know who decide to have Botox and to have things done to enhance their skin. I think it's beautiful, but for me personally, I want to see what I look like, and I don't always enjoy seeing the new wrinkles that are coming up, but they tell my story, and I'm coming into my 60th year at the end of this year, and so I want to continue to try to uphold the skincare beauty routines that my grandma and my mom gave me. This mask, my skin this is turning into a long video, but I did want to share what it felt like. I mixed the clay with just water. The recipe I followed said equal parts, but I found it took more clay mixture to go in with the water, so about 5 to 1, 4 to 1. My skin is a little pink, but it does feel, and my skin has started to, I've noticed, to droop a little bit over the years. I have gotten bad about my skincare. I usually use, I think it's CeraVe. It's a serum, and then eye moisturizer, and another moisturizer at night that are Shiseido. And then every once in a while a mask. My skin still feels tight from that mask, the one I just put on. Will I do it again? Yes. Because I've been noticing when I have been cleaning the horses, their hooves and their hair, it's nice. Like it's shiny. Their hair is shiny, and I wait, as I've been reading, to use the brush and bristle it off. That if I was gonna wet it and wipe it off, then I would definitely need to dry it. So I've been waiting to just brush it off, and when I do, it's really it looks like it's been cared for. And so if you try this at home, we have like 6 acres of red clay. So if you try it, good luck.